Welcome to the Hypnosis Training Academy. My name is Igor Ledochowski. I'm the co-founder of the HTA. We opened our doors in January 2007, so decades have passed since then, and we have been teaching hypnosis in all that time. We've taught thousands of people across the world, certified as hypnotherapists, help them create conversational hypnosis, become more influential, learn entertainment, styles of hypnosis, to practice their skills and have fun with people, and also to improve their own lives through self-hypnosis and, of course, through hypnotherapy with like-minded hypnotists. Our purpose here is to make great hypnotists. I think hypnosis is a tremendous tool. It's a wonderful tool that makes you a force for good in the world, that can alleviate pain, it can alleviate suffering, it can put success within people's reach and make the impossible possible once again. And because of that, I think everyone should learn some hypnosis in one level or another, whether it's self-hypnosis to improve your life or hypnotherapy to improve other people's lives. It just fits into every aspect of our lives. So our purpose here is to make that journey as simple, as much fun, and as easy as possible for anyone who comes to us. Whether your interest is merely in showing off and doing entertainment things, whether your interest is in actually helping people, whether your interest is in influencing people so your career and relationships succeed more clearly, or whether you just want to work on yourself, we've got something here for you. And I happen to think it's at the highest level possible because it's at the most practical level possible. Everything we teach has been tested by our students, by ourselves, been rolled out, and thousands of questions over decades has helped us to perfect our methods, our principles, our techniques to make sure they don't just work in theory, but they actually work in the real world too. So please join our channel, check out all the videos we have for you, and make up your own mind. Try out some of the things that we will teach you here and see if you can find something practical that you can take away that makes your existing hypnosis better. Or if you're new to hypnosis entirely, makes it much easier to understand and a lot easier to get your head around how to actually do this in a practical way. See you soon.